Hello, in front of me I have HONOR MagicWatch 2, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, like this. Here tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down and select the sounds. Here tap on volume, and now we can adjust the sound volume by swiping up and down on this slider. Like this. You can also use the upper and the lower buttons to adjust the volume. And once you're done, simply swipe right on the screen to go back, like that. And then you can press the upper button to go back to the watch face, like this. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.